We are going to do question number 6, exercise 2.5. The question is, write the following cubes in expanded form. This we have to write in expanded form. So we are going to use this identity to solve this question. A plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. So before we solve the questions, we have to learn all the identities. Okay, only in this exercise 2.5 there are almost 9 identities. So this is one of them. So a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A is 2x and b is 1. Now put in the identity. A means 2x, so 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into what is a? 2x. What is b? 1. A plus b means 2x plus 1. So 2x whole cube. What is cube of 2? 8. What is cube of x? X cube. Plus what is 1 cube? 1. Plus 3 to the 6x into 2x plus 1. So it will be 8x cube plus 1 plus 6 to the 12. Whatever terms is written outside the bracket, 6x first we will multiply with 2x and then we will multiply with 1. So plus into plus plus 6 to the 12, x into x, x square. Now plus into plus plus 6x into 1, 6x. So this is the answer. Question number 6, second part. Previous question, it was plus sign and here it is minus sign. So we will use this identity. When it is minus, we will use a minus b whole cube. When there is plus sign, we will use a plus b whole cube. Now what is a minus b whole cube? It is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. All the terms are same, but everywhere the sign becomes negative. Okay. Now a is 2a and b is 3b. Now put in the formula. A means 2a cube minus b is 3b whole cube minus 3 into what is a? 2a. What is b? 3b into a minus b means 2a minus 3b. Now 2a whole cube means cube of 2, 8. Cube of a cube minus cube of 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. So 27. B cube means b into b into b. So b cube minus again 3 into 2. 2 3 is a 3 into 2 6 and 6 3 is a 18ab. Now 2a minus 3b. So what we will be getting? Again 8a cube minus 27b cube minus same thing 18ab. First multiply with 2a and then multiply with 3b. So minus 18 to the 36, a into a square and b. Now again minus into minus plus 18 3 is a 54, a b into b. So ab square. So this is the answer. Question number 6, third part. 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. So again it is a plus sign. So which formula? A plus b whole cube. This identity we will use. Now you all know a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A is 3 by 2x and b is 1. Now we will put in the identity. What is a? 3 by 2x whole cube plus what is b? 1 cube plus 3 into what is a? 3 by 2x. What is b? 1. A plus b. So 3 by 2x is a plus b is 1. Now simply open the bracket and expand. 3 cube is 27 by 2 cube is 8 x cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 3s are 9 by 2 x in bracket 3 by 2 x plus 1. So in one time we will explain, we will solve only one step. Okay, now next 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus, now what you are going to do, 9 by 2x, first multiply by 3 by 2x. So first multiply the numbers, 9 3s are 27 by 2 2s are 4. First numerator with numerator and then denominator with denominator. And x into x, x square. When the variables are same, then you add the power. Plus into plus, plus. 9 by 2x into 1 is 9 by 2x. So this is the answer. Question number 6, fourth part. Again a minus b whole cube. A is x and b is 2 by 3y. You are not going to take sign along with a and b, okay, because this is in the formula a minus b. So a is different and b is different. Now you know a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So a cube, a is x, so x cube minus b means 2 by 3y whole cube minus 3 into what is a, x, what is b, 2 by 3y. A minus b means x minus 2 by 3y. Okay, now what is x cube? You know. Now 2 cube is 8 by 3 cube is 27 y cube minus, multiply numerator with numerator, so 3 2s are 6 by 3 xy into x minus 2 by 3y. Okay, so here you can cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are. Now x cube minus 8 by 27y cube minus 2xy into x. So 2 into 1 2 and xy into x is x square y. Now minus into minus plus, 2 into 2 by 3, so 4 by 3, xy into y, xy square. So multiply 2xy with x and then 2xy with this. So this is the final answer. Question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. So this 99 cube, you cannot write 99 into 99 into 99. That you can do when you verify the answer. Here you have to convert this in form of identity. So what I can do is 99 cube can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Okay, so it has become now in the form of a minus b whole cube. You know a minus b whole cube is just now you did in the previous question. So a minus b cube whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A is what? 100 and b is 1. Now simply substitute in the formula. A means 100 cube, b is 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 and a minus b means 100 minus 1. Okay. Now 100 cube means how many zeros? Means 100 into 100 into 100. So how many zeros? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 zeros. Minus 1 minus 3 into 100, 300 into 100 minus 1, 99. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1 minus 99 into 3. 99 into 3. So 3 9s are 27, 3 9s are 27, 28, 29. 2, 9, 7, 0, 0. Okay, so just solve and you will get the answer as 970299. Next question. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. This is the second part we are going to do. So again 102 whole cube can be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. Okay. So 100 plus 2 whole cube. Now I have converted in form of identity. Which identity? A plus b the whole cube. So you know all a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, all plus sign. A is 100 and b is 2. So a cube means 100 cube, b cube means 2 cube plus 3 into, what is a? 100. What is b? 2. A plus b means 100 plus 2. Now 100 cube. So how many zeros again? 4, 5, 6 zeros. Plus 2 cube is 8. Plus 3 to the 600 into 102. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros plus 8 plus 102 into 6. 102 into 6. 6 to the 12. 6 to the 0. 1. 6 on the 6. 6, 1, 2, 0, 0. Okay. 100 plus 2, 102. Now, just add all and write down the answer. 1061208. Question number 7, third part. Okay, 998 whole cube can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Okay, so I have converted in form of a minus b whole cube. Now a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Very simple question. 6 and 7 both. Learn the identity, substitute the values. A is 1000 and b is 2. So a cube means 1000 cube minus b is 2. So 2 cube minus 3 into, what is a? 1000. What is b? 2. A means 1000 minus 2. Now it is 1000 cube. How many zeros it should be? 1000 into 1000 into 1000. So how many zeros? 3, 6, 9. 9 zeros. Minus 8. Minus 3 to the 6 into 1000, 6000, and 1000 minus 2, 998. Okay. So solve everything and then write down the answer as 994011992. So you all know just addition, subtraction, multiply, and then write down the final answer. So this is done. Question number 7.